Another cabin filter, carbon activated, from #1 manufacturer. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. What we have here is an OE Micron Air carbon activated cabin filter. These are very overlooked replacement items, but this one in particular is going to fit your F22 and F23 3 series, along with your F31 and F30 3 series, and the F32, F33, F34, F36 4 series, as well as your F80, F82, and F83 chassis M3, M4 cars. Everything. If it's a 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, this will fit. But this is a carbon activated filter. Primary difference between your paper filter and your carbon activated filter is the carbon activated filter has embedded charcoal, and it helps cut down on a lot of the contaminants, pollen, dust, you name it, from entering the passenger compartment of the vehicle. It's not uncommon for these things to go long periods of time without ever being replaced. So if the air coming inside your vehicle smells kind of moldy, kind of funky, chances are it's because this guy needs to be replaced. But like I said, this is an OE filter made by Micron Air. It's the same thing you get from in a genuine BMW brand, just in a different box. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. If you like the video, hit that like button, and we'll see you for the next one.